Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my PC which I built a few days ago. Today I will share how I do it. Assemble your own PC will supercharge your gaming experience and allow to no upgrade compounds at any time. Highlights with this right preparation and induction, anyone can build their own PC. Building your own PC is the best way to ensure that your machine will meet all of your needs and preferences. I should look into it. This is the fucking cockroach here. To decide what components or to what you can earlier research is educational compounds to find free ways used online. Building PC use separate to easy for building gaming PC from scratch and that only your fire personal preference when you determine everything that goes into your PC from power supply and you know how to play. A home built PC keeps the door opens upgrade. In additional, a home tips add technology may change as your gaming taste and needs change or as your budget allow. Those building a PC can seem intimidating. You might find that it's easier than you think, especially when broken into manageable steps. That's why we have put together this comprehensive step-by-step build to building your first gaming PC, complete with tips and tricks from the vendor. The pops menu can differ you start picking our components. You should have case or at least case size in mind. The main thing to keep in mind when picking a case is where you are going to put computer. Your PC's final location will dictate how big you can go, and it will also help determine whatever various premium case feature or supplying on. You probably don't want to play for trans glass side panel if the computer will be unhidden under your desk. For example, case typically come in three sizes: full tower, mid tower, and mini tower. There are very general category case sizes cannot be best. Thank you.